If you're wondering why your Jeep Wrangler carpets are always wet after a car wash, whether it's a JK models 2007 to 2018, or perhaps you got a JL or even a Gladiator models 2018 to 2026, well, here's the reason why. By the way, my name's Tony. I accidentally became the world's leading expert on fixing this exact problem. I've helped hundreds of people around the world solve it, and now here you are. I'm going to help you too. All right, let's understand why your carpets are wet, so this way we can understand what the fix is, which, by the way, is something I came up with and produce a product to solve this exact problem here in the United States. All right, guys, the problem with the Wranglers, whether it's a JK, JL, or a Gladiator, is that there's only a weather stripping here on the door side of the vehicle. Yet every other vehicle in the world today also has a weather stripping going around the entire perimeter of the body. And if you check yours now, you'll see that it is bare metal, okay? So what happens is when the door slams against that bare metal, it makes a terrible seal. Now, every other vehicle on the road does not do that. They have a weather stripping on the body and on the door. I'll just come around the corner here so you can see what I'm talking about. Even with the top here, right, this fiberglass top, there's nothing here to seal against this rubber surface. So again, the door side seal, even if you've replaced it, right, you say, well, maybe I'll just replace the door side seal. Perhaps you've already done that. You've been to the dealer, they've done that. You're into the dealer for probably up to $1,000 at this point, and it's still leaking. That's the problem. Now let's take a look at the solution that I came up with and manufactured here in the United States. Okay, guys, if you notice on this vehicle right now, there is a weather stripping. This rubber specifically engineered body weather stripping was made specifically for Jeep Wranglers JKs and JLs. It has a double-sided adhesive backing, and then you just stick it onto the body of the vehicle, which really and truly Jeep should have done that on the assembly line. I don't understand why they couldn't or shouldn't, but here we are, right? It is what it is. Anyway, here's the seal that goes all the way around continuously around the perimeter of the body. And now when, I might as well just make this point, now when this door side weather stripping comes into contact with this weather stripping that goes around the entire perimeter, it seals the vehicle and it's nice and dry. Not to mention, it makes it so much more quieter, because you guys know how noisy these vehicles are, because the same water that's getting in between this gap right here, the wind is also doing the same thing. Now let's take a look at this side over here, because I had a weather stripping already on this one, just like that side, but I wanted to make this point. The tops still come off with the weather stripping still in place there. Because if we would have went straight around the perimeter of this entire body side, then you kind of lock the panels in. And this installation is super easy, super fast, super simple. So there you guys have it. If you're wondering why your Jeep is always getting soaking wet after a car wash or after a rainstorm, that is the reason why. And again, this is a newer JL style, right? Because the JL and the Gladiator share everything up to the back door. And still, there's no body side seal. Let me see if this thing is open so I can show you guys. It's locked, but trust me when I tell you, if you have a JL or Gladiator, open yours up, you're going to find the same thing as the JK. Got your weather stripping around the door, but the body's bare metal, trust me when I tell you. And that's the reason why your vehicle leaks. And again, my name is Tony, and I didn't mean to become the world's leading expert at solving this problem, but I have, and it just became a thing once I solved the problem for myself. You help one person, that person tells someone else, and 4 years later, we've helped people around the world, so I'm happy about that. If you guys got any questions, also, I'm going to leave a link down to the bottom where you can contact me at. And then I have a whole, it's like an encyclopedia of why your Jeep leaks and how to fix it, and things that you could do immediately also that might help you solve your problem without the kit. So I'll leave that link down below and you guys can check that out. But at least now you know the real reason your vehicle is leaking after a rainstorm and your carpets are all wet, even after perhaps even changing your door side seals. So I hope this helps. Again, I'm the accidental expert, but I do know what I'm talking about, and that is why, and this is how you fix it. You guys do with that information as you see fit. All right, guys, later. Peace.